Hello! In this video we're going to optimize Windows by disabling unnecessary background services. It's quick, safe, and helps improve performance, reduce RAM usage, and make your system run smoother. In Windows, there are always background services running without us noticing. Some of them aren't really necessary, yet they quietly consume RAM and make the system heavier. So in this video, we'll disable a few non-essential services to reduce the load and make Windows run smoother. First, we are going to disable delivery optimization in Windows Update. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update, then select Advanced Options. Next, under Additional Options, click on Delivery Optimization. Here, you'll see the option Allow Downloads from Other Devices. This feature lets Windows download and share update data with other computers. It runs in the background and uses both RAM and bandwidth, so you should turn it off to reduce unnecessary background activity and keep your system running more smoothly. Next, we're going to open the Services Manager. Press Windows plus S to open the search window, then type Services. Select Run as Administrator to open services with admin privileges. First, locate the Connected User Experiences and Telemetry service. This service collects data and sends it to Microsoft, and it constantly runs in the background, consuming system resources. We'll disable it to reduce unnecessary background activity. To disable it, change the startup type to Disable, then click Stop to halt the running service. Finally, click Apply to save the changes. This will prevent the service from running in the background. Next, we'll look for the Program Compatibility Assistance service. This service helps older apps run on Windows, but most users rarely need it, and it still runs in the background consuming resources. Similarly, disable this service by changing the startup type to Disable, then click Stop, and finally hit Apply to save the changes. This will prevent it from running in the background and consuming unnecessary RAM. Next, let's locate the sysmain service. This used to be called Superfetch, and its job is to optimize app loading. But on many low-end or low-RAM systems, sysmain can actually consume more memory and slow things down. So disabling it can help the system run lighter. Next, look for the Windows Error Reporting service. This service automatically collects and sends error reports whenever the system encounters issues. For most users, this isn't necessary, and it continuously runs in the background, consuming resources, so we can disable it to reduce background activity. Alright, we've disabled several unnecessary services. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.